Okay, hello and welcome to another site math video. Again, we are on the topic equivalent expressions. These are medium difficulty questions. Let's look at these. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to the fourth root of this? So x power 6, a fourth root means power 1 over 4. So I'm going to multiply that with power 1 over 4. And this also means power 1 over 4. So I get x power 3 over 2 and x power half. Oh, that's y. Keep that as y. Okay. Does that match any of the answer options? Yes, it does. Question number two. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this? Now, there are layers of data, so I'm going to just be careful with this. A power 4, B power 6, power 1 over 3. Okay, that would make it cube root of A power 4 over 3 and B power 6 over 3. And then another cube root. So A power 4 over 3 into 1/3 and B power 2 into 1/3. Okay, so that gives me a power 4 over 9 and b power 2 over 3. Yeah, that should be the correct answer. If power number 2 says if a power negative 1 over 5 equals to y is greater than 0, what is a in terms of y? Okay, first let's turn that into a positive power and let's shift around. Now, how do you remove a power 1 over 5? You take a power 5 here. So a becomes 1 over y power 5. Now, is that an answer option? No. Can I bring that to the numerator and say that a equals to y power minus 5? And that I think is the right answer option. Okay, moving on. Question number 4 says which of the following expressions is equivalent to this? I think it's just, I don't see any other simplification. Yeah, an equivalent expression. Okay, so this would become a power 3 and b power 4 into 1 over 5. A power 3 over 5 and b power 4 over 5. Okay, none of these is a correct answer option. C is not right. D is also not right. Okay, let's check A. It says a power 6, b power 8 into power 1 over 10. I think those numbers sort of reduce and give you this answer. Okay, that's 3 over 5 and that's 4 over 5. So A is the correct answer option. Okay, question number 2. Question number 5. Find the value of this and express the result as an integer. Okay, so what I could do is I could just put this on my calculator and see if I get an integer out of this. So cube root of 64 plus cube root of 8 and put a square. 36. Okay, and that was relatively simple. Cube root of 64 is 4, cube root of 8 is 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 squared is 36. Okay, some more medium difficulty questions. Let's see this. Okay, so this is going to give me 2 over 4, b 3 over 4, and then 4 over 8 and 6 over 8. I think all of these are canceling out. This is 1 over 2, that's also 1 over 2. So the entire expression would a would cancel out. Okay, and similarly b would also cancel out 3 over 4 and 3 over 4. So I'm left with 1, not 0, 1. Okay, so that would be 3 power half divided by, so that would give me 3 over 2 divided by 2 over 3, and the powers would then get subtracted. 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3. That's 2 over 3. Let's subtract. I could do this on a calculator much more quickly. 5 over 6. X raised to the power 5 over 6. Question number 3. Which of the following expressions is equivalent? Okay, so what's the denominator like? It's x power 2 over 3. To come to the numerator, it's going to become negative. That should be a correct answer. Then I think this is a similar one, and we should check this out. I think it cancels out to 1. Just waiting for my stream to normalize. Okay, I think it's normal now. So I think 1 should be the correct answer. You can try this out. It's similar question to what we did before. Okay, let's look at this. Consider the following expressions. So that would be x power 2 over 3, y power 4 over 3 divided by x power 4 over 6 and y power 6 over 6. So I think x power 2 over 3 and this is also x power 2 over 3, so that cancels out. And y power 4 over 3 minus 1. So I'm left with y power 1 over 3. Okay. Um, that is it for this session. I'm going to be back with more difficult questions in the next one. Thank you for watching.